Today we're gonna learn some basic magic tricks. Okay, see this pen? You can see it? I'm gonna make it disappear in mud air. Okay. And gone. I didn't throw it, so you can look. I didn't throw it. And it isn't here. It isn't here. Okay? I'm going to show you.
There.
Now I'm going to show you how to do it. Okay? When I take off my sweater, you can look at it. It's the pen is hanging in a rubber band, and it's in a security nail, you can call it. Okay? So when I hold it like this, so the sweater covers the rubber band, so when I do like that, the pen goes back. Okay, thanks for watching. We're gonna get some more videos. You can look at our profile, WeMagic123. Okay, bye bye.